What's up? My name is Kamal Akeel, and today I'm going to show y'all how to replace the key fob battery for a Mazda. My car is a 2013 Mazda Speed 3, but if your key fob looks like this, then it should be the exact same procedure, because these key fobs were used in a wide range of the Mazda lineup in over a few years. But the only difference I notice is some will have a trunk button right next to where the hazard is, so it'll be like split buttons right here. But it's still the exact same procedure, so I'll show you how to change the battery. So the first thing you're gonna do is just flip your key out of the fob by pushing that button right there, and then in this slot here where the key flips out of, there's a small like square hole, and there's a little tab in there that you're going to press down, and it's going to release this side of the fob from this side. You'll see this little crease here. That's where it's actually releasing. And to do this, I have a like mini Phillips or a flathead screwdriver, and then I'm also going to use a slightly larger flathead. It's just a pocket screwdriver. So just get this in there and just press. You can press pretty lightly and it should just come right out. You can see right here, this is the tab that holds this side of the fob to this side, and you're basically just pressing down right there. And as you can see, I didn't press down super hard or anything because you don't want to break that. So if you just press super light, it pops out pretty easy. And then the battery's in this side, and there's another small indent right here where you're just gonna put the larger flathead screwdriver and you just twist, and then these two parts come apart, and you'll see your circuit board on this side and then your battery on this side. And then I just use the small flathead again just to lever out the battery. And that should just pop out. And then the size battery you'll need is a 1620. The replacement I got is Rayovac, and looks like from the factory Mazda uses Panasonic. This does say CR 1620, and then the same thing with the replacement I got. It says CR 1620 as well. When I was looking at getting these batteries, I noticed some of depending on the manufacturer of the battery, on the packaging it might not have that CR, it might just say 1620, but it's still the same thing, so you don't have to worry if you get that type that doesn't have the CR. So when we're going back in with the new battery, you'll see a positive symbol in here, and then so you just look at your battery and you find the positive symbol, and then you'll want the positive facing positive. And this side is like slightly spring loaded, so I go in this side first and then snap it down, so you'll hear it click, so just kind of push on it, make sure it's solid in there. And then yeah, something funny I noticed is there's a little Mitsubishi symbol in here. I guess Mitsubishi manufactures the circuit boards for these keys. But anyways, so now to go back together, there's a little tab here and then a little indent on this side as well. See if this comes out, just slide it back in here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I guess if you hold this upside down, it might slide out on you. But it should just slide it back over. And so, like I was saying, when you go back together, you'll have this little indent, and then there's a little tab on this side as well. I guess that's just to help you line it up, and then it should just snap back down. And then same thing with this. You just hear a little click, and you know it's in there solid. And that's it. So I know this one was pretty short and simple, but thanks for watching, and I hope this helped anyone out that wanted to replace the battery on their Mazda key fob. And I'll talk to you guys soon and post some new videos. So thanks and finito.